So ladies and gentlemen, I did the walk of shame off the ice down that path, and now we're waiting for my ride.
What I got is a fire, burning even hotter than the brightest sun. What I got is a mountain, standing high above every other one. I got heart, I got soul, there's a power in me you can't control. What I got is a fire, it's untouchable.
You think so? I'll give her a shot. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Michigan Made Outdoors. We're here in southwest Michigan, ice fishing for bluegill, crappie, perch, really anything that'll bite the line at this point. We've been out here 45 minutes already, setting up, moving spots, looking for spots, and all we have to show for it is 3, as Tyler says, rinky-dink little perch. Anything you want to say?
I'm marking some, but no luck.
We're marking. Let's go.
Whoa.
Woo! Oh.
Big old crappie.
Oh, hold on. Oh, damn.
Big old crappies, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, explain to the people what just occurred.
Oh, so the truck keys were sitting on my lap, and I stood up to put my phone up there as a light, and the truck keys went in the lake. So now we gotta wait. Maybe we can try hooking them for somebody. But I'm marking a fish.
Is it a fish or your keys?
That was definitely a fish.
All right. Well, hopefully our night turns around.
Actually, it could have been the keys.
Oh, no. Looks like it's not turning around. We're marking keys.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I did the walk of shame off the ice down that path, and now we're waiting for my ride to go get my keys, because I dropped them in the lake. Alright folks, I am back. I made it back on the ice, brought a lantern so we can see finally again, and oh, there they are. I got keys now. Oops. And these ones are not going in the lake. Yeah. And we just the fishing update is these boys suck. They can't catch anything. So I'm gonna try and show them how it's done. But I mean, if there's nothing else in this video, you know what happened. All right, guys. It was a rough night. Caught these 2 nice bluegills and a nice crappie. They're still alive, so we're gonna give them a release and call it a night and pack up. So sorry it wasn't too hot, but maybe next time. We'll be out here next weekend, so give it a shot then.
We appreciate you watching. We hope that you like this video, even though we didn't catch very many fish, but we hope you like it, you comment, and you share, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace!